First, open your browser and type Acuity Insurance Customer Care Number. Then, you will see the latest and write Acuity Insurance Customer Care Number. After this, dial their customer care number. Once you have dialed Acuity Insurance's customer care number, here's a general guide on how to navigate the call and speak to a representative for your queries. 1. Listen to the automated menu. Pay close attention to the options presented by the automated voice system. These menus are designed to direct your call to the appropriate department based on your needs, e.g., claims, billing, policy inquiries. 2. Select the most relevant option. Use the keypad on your phone to select the option that best aligns with your query. If you are unsure, there might be a general, customer service, or other inquiries option you can choose. 3. Be patient. During peak hours, you might experience a short wait time before a representative becomes available. 4. Identify yourself. When a representative answers, clearly state your name and, if applicable, your policy number or account information. This will help them quickly access your records. 5. Clearly state your query. Explain the reason for your call in a concise and straightforward manner. Provide any relevant details or documentation you have. 6. Listen carefully to the representative. Pay attention to the information and instructions provided by the customer care agent. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification if anything is unclear. 7. Ask specific questions. If you have specific questions, make sure to ask them directly. 8. Take notes. It can be helpful to jot down the representative's name, any reference numbers they provide, and the outcome of your call. 9. Be polite and respectful. Maintaining a courteous and respectful tone will help ensure a productive conversation. 10. Follow instructions. If the representative asks you to take any specific actions or provide further information, make sure you understand and follow their instructions. 11. Confirm next steps. Before ending the call, ensure you understand any next steps that need to be taken, either by you or Acuity Insurance. If your issue hasn't been fully resolved, ask about the follow-up process and expected timelines. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively communicate your queries to an Acuity Insurance customer care representative after dialing their number.